Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slow, go fast, fast, fast. Like controller, like controller.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Evensya coming to you with another video. Today I'm bringing you this affordable makeup look. I freaking stepped it up. I stepped out of my comfort zone and I'm giving you guys an eye look. I'm giving you that affordable beat, okay? If you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, just keep watching. So the first thing we're going to do is prime our face, and I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer in Matte. The next thing I like to do is go in to doing my eyebrows. As you can see, they are unfinished and undone, and I'm going to go in with ColourPop's Dip Brow, I guess. And this one's in the color Cool Cocoa. And I like to clean this up with some concealer, and I'm just going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. Blend that out. So I'm also going to take some of that onto my eyelids because my eyelids are really dark, and we are moving on to eyeshadow anyway. And I'm gonna go into my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, and this one is, which one is this? Dark Magic. So it has like the greens, blues, some really cute colors. All right, so I'm gonna go in with Potion first. So I'm gonna go in with Inside Job right here. I'm not taking it far up because I don't want to lose the first color. Now I want to cut my crease, cut it, and I'm just taking some more of that concealer that we used earlier, the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee, and I'm going to cut my crease. I'm just going to pat that on where we just cut our crease. Take some of Poof too and just put that on this part because I do want the lid to be a little bit brighter. I'm just going to create a nice cat eye with my NYX vinyl liner. I'm going to add some glitter liner because glitter is my favorite friend. And I'm using the NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner. I already put on primer earlier, so I'm going to move on to foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I know it looks weird to you guys because it has a little pump on top of it, but I just took a pump from one of my old bottles and just put it on top of that. Yeah, because they don't come with pumps. And this is in the color 356. So we're going to go in with Toffee, of course. Oh, she's squirting. I'm gonna contour before I blend everything out, you know. I'm gonna contour with Black Opal's contour stick in the color Black Walnut. All right, I'm gonna blend everything else out. Now what I noticed is that the contour stick, the Black Opal contour stick, maybe because it's old, I'm not sure, but my ColourPop foundation stick feels so much more creamier than this one does. But I think it's because mine is so old. I should just get rid of it and buy a new one and test that out. I'm gonna go in with my no filter stick from ColourPop because I feel like I need to, I mean, my face looks really good, but I want to add a little bit of warmth to it, and I feel like the contour stick on this is more warm. Just blend that out, and it's so creamy. It's a dream. Yeah. If they were to do blush sticks, ColourPop should do blush sticks. Do they have blush sticks? If they don't, let them know I said they should do some blush sticks, because I would buy them. I don't even wear blush, and I would buy a nice blush from them if it was in like this, like that. So I'm gonna set my face, and I'm gonna use my CYO powder. This is like $5 and it is the bomb. Use the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder in coconut. I'm gonna go into my True Complexion Black Radiance contour palette. Beautiful chocolate colors right there. And I totally forgot to do my lower lash line. I'm looking crazy without my lower lash line done. So I'm gonna go into Potion first. I kind of want to do a Trickery because it's like a metallic color, but I don't know how that's gonna look. So let's just try it anyway. And then for the outer corners, I kind of want to go in with Inside Job. I feel like the outer corner is not dark enough for me. So I'm gonna have to go into that matte black. Right, look at that eye. What? I did that? I'm gonna take my Maybelline Big Shot mascara just to add some mascara to the bottom lash line. So I'm gonna go back into the True Complexion contour palette, and I'm going to use this highlighter. Alright, so this is what my face is looking like so far. I really don't know what to do next. I feel like my face looks so good. So I'm gonna just take my lip liner Club Hopper on my lips. I feel like that's too red. Maybe I'm gonna go over it with my ColourPop and Ellery in Anyways. Okay, so I'm gonna take my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream and just fill that up. Cute, cute. Alright, so this is the finished look of my affordable face. I have like little moles and stuff. I have like my little beauty marks. You can barely see them. But they're cute. It's cute. I feel like this look came out really, really good for something that's like supposed to be like the more affordable products, the cheaper products. I feel like my face looks expensive, you know, like it's a little expensive, you know, it's whatever. Definitely, if you haven't tried the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, like the little vault ones, definitely pick them up. I think they're like 15 bucks and you get them at Ulta. So like Ulta, the website, or of course Morphe. But yeah, I love those palettes. I freaking love those palettes. I don't know what people were talking about. I'm talking all like, you know what I'm saying? I really like how this look came out. I hope you guys did too. Please leave me a thumbs up if you like what you saw and you saw what you liked. You can hit the subscribe button right here. Join my little familia. I'd really appreciate it. Get me to 1,000 subscribers. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning into another video, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye. Say hi. Say, don't lick my face, man. There's a whole bunch of makeup on it. Say hi. Say hi, everybody. My name is Coco. I'm a boy named Coco.
What did you say?
Give me a kiss. No? Ah! You're cute. We're lucky you're cute. Alright, I'm gonna put you down. Okay? Go have fun.